Today we will discuss the organic preparation of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone derivatives of aldehyde or ketones. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone derivatives are also known as 2,4-DNP. For this organic preparation, two reagents are required. First is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine and the second one is either aldehyde or ketone. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine can react with both aldehyde and ketone, and after the reaction it gives yellow-orange precipitate. Two 2,4-DNP can be prepared in two different ways. In first method, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is dissolved in a mixture of concentrated HCl and distilled water. This reagent A is particularly suitable for lower aliphatic aldehyde and ketone, which are soluble in water. Second type of 2,4-DNP is reagent B, in which 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is dissolved in methanol and concentrated H2SO4. This is particularly suitable for those aldehyde or ketones that are not soluble in water. How this preparation is done? For this preparation, it's a very simple preparation. So in this, the given aldehyde or ketone, if it is soluble in water, then about 0.1 gram is dissolved in 1 to 2 ml of water and 5 to 10 ml of reagent A. Now the test tube is shaken for a few minutes. After the shaking of test tube, orange-yellow precipitate of 2,4-DNP can appear immediately. If it does not appear, then the inner walls of the test tube is scratched with glass rod. After scratching the inner walls of test tube, 2,4-DNP derivative will appear immediately. If after the scratching, if the product does not come, then the test tube is heated in a water bath for 5 to 10 minutes. After heating, keep it aside for cooling. After cooling the test tube, orange-yellow precipitate of 2,4-DNP will come.